guys, as you could see, this is my project. This is the solar system. Before getting into my project, we all know that there's the universe. The universe contains 2 trillion types of galaxies, and one of those galaxies is called Milky Way galaxy, which our solar system is in. Our solar system is in Milky Way galaxy. As you could see, this is the planets. They orbit the sun. Okay, the closest planet to the sun is Mercury, and the farthest planet is Pluto. We still don't know, scientists still haven't decided that if Pluto is a planet or not. Some of them says it's a half planet, some of them says it's not, and some of them says it's a full planet. So we still don't know. And you may think that Mercury is the hottest planet because it's the closest to sun, but it is not, because Venus has an atmosphere that traps more heat than Mercury. Mercury cools down a lot, so that's why Mercury is the hottest planet on our solar system. Venus is, and Mercury is the second hottest planet. And we all know Jupiter. It's some of people's favorite planets. It is known for having 82 moons. And in 2023, in this year, they found out that there's 10 more moons on Jupiter. So that will equal to 92 moons. That's too many moons. And we also have Earth. We will focus on Earth because it's our planet. The oxygen on Earth is constant. The heat is constant because of the distance between Earth and Sun. So I think that's enough information for us today. Thank you for looking.
So today I have made a project of plant cell. As you all know, plants are the main sources of energy and food, and they are eukaryotic organisms that have plant shaped like this. So plant cells are eukaryotic organisms that have a cell wall. The cell wall gives shape to the plant cell and supports the cell. And then we have the cell wall, just like animal cell. Then we have cytoplasm, which holds the organelles together, and it is the main cause of particles moving between the organelles. And then we have the nucleus. The nucleus has DNA, and it also controls the center of the cell and the activities in the cell. Then we have vacuole, which stores water and other liquids in the cell. We have endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex. In here we have mitochondria, which breaks down food molecules to produce ATP, or energy. And then we have cytoplasm, which has chloroplast and changes sunlight into energy. Then we have lysosomes that have digestive enzymes, and that's it.